Looking for the top 5 best water dispensers of 2025? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we're exploring the latest and most reliable water dispensers that combine style, efficiency, and convenience for your home or office. From energy-saving designs to advanced filtration systems, these dispensers not only keep your water fresh and clean but also make daily hydration easier than ever. Whether you need a compact option for small spaces or a high-capacity dispenser for family use, we've covered choices that suit every lifestyle and budget. Stay tuned as we break down their standout features, pros, and why they deserve a spot in our top 5 list. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss the perfect option for your needs. Number 5. Avalon Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. The Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler Water Dispenser is a reliable option that blends convenience with a sleek, modern look. Its bottom-loading design makes it simple to replace water jugs without any lifting, keeping things neat and hassle-free. This dispenser provides hot, cold, and room temperature water, so you'll always have the right choice for any occasion, from refreshing cold water after a workout to hot water for tea or instant meals. The stainless steel body is durable, stylish, and easy to clean, ensuring it looks great in your home or office. It also features a built-in nightlight and child safety lock, making it safe and user-friendly for all ages. With quiet operation and efficient cooling and heating, it delivers consistent performance without disturbing your space. If you're looking for a dependable dispenser that balances design, safety, and ease of use, the Avalon Bottom Loading model is a smart hydration solution for 2025. Number 4. Nonstop 3-in-1 Ice Maker Water Dispenser. The Nonstop 3-in-1 Ice Maker Water Dispenser is a real game changer for anyone who wants more than just a standard dispenser. Not only does it provide hot and cold water on demand, but it also doubles as an ice maker, producing fresh cubes for your drinks in minutes. This makes it a perfect choice for families, offices, or anyone who loves hosting guests. The compact yet versatile design ensures you save space while getting 3 functions in one device. Its simple controls make it easy to use, and the automatic cleaning function helps keep everything hygienic without much effort. Whether you're preparing a quick cup of coffee, enjoying a chilled glass of water, or adding ice to your soda, this dispenser delivers convenience at every level. With its innovative multifunction design, the Nonstop 3-in-1 is ideal for people who want efficiency, practicality, and style combined in one impressive water dispenser. Number 3. Brio Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. The Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is designed for those who value both style and practicality. Unlike top-loading models, this one lets you easily slide the water jug into the bottom compartment, making it ideal for anyone who wants a clean look and simple setup. It dispenses hot, cold, and room temperature water, so you're always ready whether you need ice-cold refreshment or hot water for instant meals. The nightlight feature is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to grab water even in the dark. The stainless steel frame adds a professional finish that blends into any home or office setting. Safety features like the hot water child lock ensure worry-free use for families. Built with efficiency in mind, this unit is quiet, reliable, and easy to maintain. If you're after a dispenser that balances functionality, safety, and modern design, the Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler makes everyday hydration effortless and elegant. Number 2. Avalon Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Dispenser. The Avalon Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler Water Dispenser takes convenience to the next level by eliminating the need for heavy water bottles. Instead, it connects directly to your water line, giving you an endless supply of clean, filtered water. This unit comes with a dual filtration system using carbon block and sediment filters, ensuring every drop is safe, fresh, and great tasting. One of its key highlights is the self-cleaning UV technology, which keeps the interior sanitary and reduces maintenance. You can enjoy hot and cold water instantly, perfect for brewing coffee, tea, or just staying hydrated throughout the day. Its sleek and slim design fits beautifully in kitchens and offices, while the child safety lock on the hot water spout offers extra peace of mind. If you're searching for a dispenser that combines eco-friendly, bottleless operation with modern technology, the Avalon self-cleaning model is a fantastic long-term investment for any home or workspace. Number 1. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. The Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler water dispenser is an excellent choice if you want fresh, purified water with zero hassle. This dispenser stands out with its self-cleaning ozone feature, which ensures that harmful bacteria and buildup are eliminated automatically, giving you peace of mind with every sip. Its bottom-loading design saves you the struggle of heavy lifting, making it convenient for everyday use at home or in the office. The sleek stainless steel exterior not only adds durability but also looks modern and stylish in any space. With options for hot, cold, and room temperature water, you'll always have the perfect drink at your fingertips, whether it's a refreshing glass of cold water or a quick cup of tea. Energy efficiency and user-friendly push-button controls make it even more practical. Overall, the Brio self-cleaning dispenser is designed for those who want a blend of convenience, hygiene, and performance in one smart package. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best water dispensers of 2025. Each of these dispensers brings unique features, whether it's self-cleaning technology, bottleless convenience, or even a 3-in-1 design with ice-making capabilities. Choosing the right one depends on your lifestyle and space, but any option here is built to make hydration easier and healthier. Don't forget, these all products in this video are available in the description below for you to check out. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Facts for more informative and tech top best product reviews, and comment your choice down below.